Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Marshall headphones with iPhone. First of all, you have to power on these headphones by using this gold button. So click and hold it until this indicator turns on. Now release. Next, you have to go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth, turn it on with the switcher. I'm gonna remove my previously connection, and on the other devices, after a few moments, we will find our Marshall headphones. Select them from the list. We are successfully connected, and if you want to unlock more features, like for example use the sound equalizer, or for example manage this button, you have to go to the App Store and click on the search pool to get Marshall application. We have to get this one. So to download that app, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and just wait a little bit. Click to open. Accept every permission that pops on your screen. You can skip this email address. The same for sharing data. Click to add new device. And when we previously connect them by using standard Bluetooth settings, we can already find them right here. So we don't need to enable any pairing mode manually. Click to pair. Click to get started. Here we can adjust the M button. Click done. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.